Hey everyone, Zain here, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off age restriction on YouTube app. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it on both the browser or the PC and your mobile phone. So let's first start with the PC. First, you'll have to open your YouTube on the browser, and after that, you'll have to log in into your account. And once you log in, you should click on your profile picture on the top right corner, and after that, navigate to Google account. Now, it will show you here this page. Go to personal info, and what you should do right now is to simply check your birthday. If you have your birthday making you less than 18, so you will have to change it. So click on your birthday, and after clicking on it, you should change this year right here, the thing that will make you more than 18. After that, you can simply go back, then get back to YouTube and log in into your account again and click on your profile picture on the top right corner. And now you will have to navigate down below here to this option, restricted mode. Just click on it. And if you have it toggled on, you should just click on this button right here in order to disable it. And after that, it will do like a refreshment to your home page and it will turn off the restriction mode. Now let's go to the phone. To do that, you should also go and open YouTube application. It is in fact the same method, but with little differences. So you'll have to navigate to your bottom right corner on your picture. Then it will show you here this page. Click on Google account. And now what you should do is simply click on personal info. Then you should scroll down till you find here your birthday, and you should also do the same. Change it to a year that you can be actually more than 18. But if you are more than 18 already and you have the date giving you more than 18 year, you are good to go. You don't have to change anything. Now you have to go back, and here you should click on the settings on top right corner, then click on general. And after clicking on general, down below right here, you will have this option, restricted mode. You will have it toggled on like this. You just have to toggle it off by tapping on it, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.